webinar today. My name is Shanna Clark, and I'm the Vice President of Sales and Operations with Medicare Advantage Specialist and MAS Insurance and Marketing. We're very excited about 2016 and all the opportunities associated with this year. I can't believe that we're already in March. Pretty soon the first quarter of 2016 is going to be over. And I know that some of you may have been taking a breather since the AEP ended, but there's so much going on in the marketplace. We wanted to present you with a few ideas to think about. All right, before we get started, if you're attending the webinar for the first time today, I would like to introduce you to MAS. We are a nationally recognized award-winning field marketing organization and a leader in the insurance brokerage industry. Our office is located in beautiful Hoover, Alabama, just outside of Birmingham. So we began our webinar series, Making Sense of the Medicare Market, back in January, and we've already visited with hundreds of agents who have attended. I hope you'll mark your calendar. We're going to have some future events, and we'll be sending out emails about those. But if some reason you missed one of the webinar series that you see here on the screen, we have a recorded version of those on our website available at www.medadvspc.com. These sessions are jam-packed full of information and marketing tools that are guaranteed to boost your income. Our goal is to help you with ideas and tools to think outside the box. But truthfully, what we really want you to understand is that there is no box. Before we get started with the webinar, I do want to introduce you to the webinar control panel that's on the right-hand side of your screen. There's a chat toolbar which allows you to ask questions, and we will monitor those throughout the presentation and share them with the group at the end of the webinar. Webinar technology is great, but sometimes there's minor issues that occur. So if for some reason the audio pauses or the screen moves a little slow, just stick with us, and I'm sure the technology issues will work themselves out. So let's get started with today's webinar, Learning More About Medicare Supplements. I'm pleased to introduce one of MAS's National Marketing Directors, Andy Watkins. Andy has been with MAS for several years and has a wealth of knowledge that he can share with you. So Andy, I'm going to hand it over to you.
Thank you, Shanna. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for attending today's webinar. '16 is here.
Okay, Andy, we need to just
we have those
display. Yeah, just do the display settings and swap the screens up at the top there. There you go.
Cool.
Nice.
Is it coming up?
Yep, it's there.
Okay. '16 is here. Let's make the most of it by making sense of selling to the Medicare market. And like Shanna said, understanding that we don't need to think outside the box because there is no box. There is a famous quote by Lewis Carroll that says, if you don't know where you're going, any road will get you there. Having a vision and knowing where you want to go is one of the cornerstones of our business. 2016 is here. Let's make the most of it by building your map to success. My name is Andy Watkins, and I'm a marketing manager here at MAS. We have some great opportunities here in the life and health market and a lot of information to share with you. So let's get started with today's exciting webinar. And when I say excited, let me explain why. We are going to go over a lot of different topics. So the agenda for today is about adding Medicare supplements to your portfolio. Why is it a great time to start selling Medicare supplements? We're going to go over a few different specific Medicare supplements available on the market. We will hit on some strategies for selling Medicare supplements, and we will finish today's webinar on why MAS. So it's a new year, and you may be sitting around thinking, how am I going to increase my sales this year? How can I expand my portfolio? How can I get leads? Will I have to pay for them, and can I afford that? Some of you might be asking, what is exactly my niche market? And how in the world am I going to get the training I need to execute my plan? So we've put ourselves in your shoes and asked the same questions. How can we help our agents be successful in this market? What can we do to offer you more support and more guidance? And we've decided that reflection is a pretty good place to start. With that being said, in order for you to put a plan in place, you have to know where are you right now. As Steve Jobs once put it, you can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So looking back at 2015, how was your year? Did you meet your goals? Did you write all the business that you wanted to write? Or could it have been better? Take some time to reflect if you haven't already. What are your strengths? Know them and maximize them. What are your weaknesses? We all have them. What could you improve on personally and professionally that could help your business grow? That could help you grow. Looking back, are there any opportunities you missed because maybe you weren't prepared? And it's true. The deeper you look, the more answers you find to get you where you want to be. So what are the big picture questions you are asking yourself? Let's start with, do you know what your bottom line was for last year? Or the year before that? How much did you make? Was it enough? Has your business increased, or has it slowed down a little? Was your source of revenue from new business, or did it mainly come from renewals, or hopefully both? What did you write the most of? Did you focus on Medicare Advantage, or maybe Medicare Supplements? Maybe it was final expense or indemnity products. Do you know your closing rate when offering these products? And is it in the business to staying on the books? None of this is necessarily exciting to look at. I know, it's not fun, but it's crucial for your success. This is your business, and you will only benefit from knowing it inside and out. So now that you know where your business is, let's plan on where you want to see your business to grow. So while thinking about that, why not create a compelling future by maximizing your strengths and maybe compensating for any weaknesses? We all have the capacity for growth, and all while leveraging the opportunities available to us. One of those opportunities that is presented to you today is putting more focus on becoming a portfolio-minded agent. Learning the Medicare market, including Medicare Advantage, Medicare Supplements, or both, indemnity and ancillary products like cancer policies, critical illness, and hospital indemnity. Or by offering life insurance, such as final expense policies. By increasing the number of products you offer, you can guarantee an increase in sales and client retention. Which brings us to the next slide. We can all become so focused on creating business with new clients, and yes, new business is easy to measure, but maybe sometimes we forget that customer retention can be even more cost-effective. As you can see, studies show that $1 paid towards customer retention increases profits by more than $5 spent on acquiring new customers. So you're asking, well, how am I supposed to increase customer retention? One of the best ways is to simply sell more than one policy to your existing customers. It doesn't have to be at the same appointment, but make sure before you leave your client's home that they're aware that you offer more than just final expense or Medicare Supplements or whatever it may be. The second very proven method is just simply staying in touch. Make sure your clients are getting a birthday card from you every year, or just a simple note in the mail letting them know you appreciate their business. When is the last time you received a handwritten note just simply saying thank you? This will, of course, help increase their customer loyalty. A little more about increasing the products you sell. So what you're showing here is a basic model. You could earn $75,000 in income. which is very realistic. Median number for an insurance agent in today's industry. So you can do that by selling one product and earning an average of $250 per sale to 300 clients per year. But now, instead of just offering one product, what if we offered two products, earning $500 per sale, but only having to sell 150 prospects per year? That would also put you at an earning at $75,000 in commissions. When we take it a step further and now offer four products to our clients and are earning an average of $1,000 per sale, we have then reduced the number of clients to sell every year to only 75. As you can tell, earning the same as if you were able to sell 300 clients throughout the year. So what have you done here? You've dramatically reduced the number of people you have to get in front of and in turn sell, while increasing the persistency and earning more referrals and achieving a higher closing rate because you have built a relationship. This will take less effort on your part and will produce a more fluid sales cycle. All right. Your clients really do want to buy from you. 78% of shoppers who have previous relationship with their agent bought an additional insurance with their agent presented it to them. You are their go-to person. You are doing your clients and yourself a disservice if you're not offering products that help them fit their needs. They know you and they trust you. Before we get started, I wanted to share something with you that I thought was pretty funny, but it also had meaning in it. It's titled, "What's in the Bucket?" A man walks into an insurance office and asks for a job. "We don't need anyone," they replied. "You can't afford not to hire me. I can sell anyone, anything, anytime. We have two prospects that no one has been able to sell. If you can sell just one, you have a job." He was gone for 2 hours, returned, and handed them two checks, one for $80,000 policy and another for a $50,000 policy. "How in the world did you do that?" they asked. "I told you I'm the world's best salesman. I can sell anyone, anywhere, anytime." "Did you get a urine sample?" they asked. "What's that?" he asked. "Well, if you sell a policy over $40,000, the company requires a urine sample. Take these two bottles and go back and get urine samples." He was gone for about 8 hours, and then he walks in with two 5-gallon buckets, one in each hand. He sets the buckets down and reaches in his shirt pocket and produces 2 bottles of urine, and then sets them on the desk and says, "Here's Mr. Brown, and this one is Mr. Smith." "That's good," they said, "but what's in those 2 buckets?" "Well, I passed by the schoolhouse, and they were having a state teachers convention, and I sold them a group policy." So, switching gears a little bit, let's talk about Medicare supplements. Companies like Aetna, AARP by United Healthcare, Cigna Supplemental Benefits, Central States Indemnity, Humana, Medico, Mutual of Omaha, Standard Life and Accident, Manhattan Life, Transamerica, and United American, just to name a few. When it comes to choosing Medicare supplements that we partner with, stability is extremely important. Make sure the portfolio is filled with carriers that do not only offer competitive premiums, but also offer a stable rate increase history. The key here is stability. Continuing on, I know most of the listeners on today's call are currently working in the Medicare supplement marketplace. But for the new agents on the call that are new to Medicare or Medicare supplements are asking themselves, what is a Medicare supplement? A very brief description would be Medicare supplement policies, also called Medigap plans, are sold by private insurance companies to fill the gaps in original Medicare plan coverage. They will pay for some of the healthcare costs that original Medicare does not cover. Some of them will provide help to Medicare deductibles. An additional plus to some of the plans offered is they will cover benefits not covered by original Medicare, like emergency healthcare outside the U.S. In a nutshell, Medicare is responsible for 80% of the healthcare cost, and a Medicare supplement policy is responsible for the following 20%. Just keep in mind, not all plans cover the full 20%. Shown here is a diagram of the modernized Medicare supplement plans offered in today's market. The three most common plans sold today are Plan F, a Plan G, and a Plan N. So you are probably asking yourself, is it worth getting into the Medicare supplement market, or is it worth diving deeper into it? Yes, 2016 is a great time to be in the Medicare supplement market. Due to the demographics, the market is expanding, and the risk issues of the past few years have died down. Companies are now realizing additional profits because of less claims and attempting to increase market share. So now is as good a time as any. As you can see, the turning 65 population has steadily increased over the past 15 years. By the year 2050, the turning 65 number is projected to be over 88 million. That is a big number. There's your opportunity. So here we have some thoughts for your marketing to your future turning 65 clients. Direct mail, referrals, mailers, or hot knocks. So many of our agents have had success selling Medicare supplements over the phone, good old grassroots marketing, or door hanging, which is basically hand delivering direct mail. Remember, you do not have the same compliance rules when marketing Medicare supplements as you would with Medicare Advantage. In today's market, it's easier to sell over the phone. Take advantage of these carrier over-the-phone sales availability. Our expert team of marketers can cover all the elements of selling Medicare supplements over the phone, from pre-call preparation to sales script tips, and ultimately help you speed up enrollment, reach more clients without leaving the office, and eliminate unnecessary paperwork and mailing costs. Why should you sell Medicare supplements by phone? As the baby boomer generation becomes eligible to receive Medicare benefits, studies show a new type of senior is emerging. Seniors today are familiar with the internet without filling out forms. Thus, e-applications are an ideal solution. With e-applications, you now have the ability to reach a larger audience by selling Medicare supplements over the phone and filling out the form online with the customer's information. The process is quick and paperless. So moving on to a few different carriers to offer your clients. Starting with, why do we offer Medicare supplements with Aetna? Aetna is an A-rated company by AM Best. Rates are unisex and banded over 5 years. There are no pre-existing condition limitations. Aetna offers electronic payment options like using a checking account or a credit card for premium payments. They offer a great fitness discount program. They also have one of the few companies to offer a high deductible Plan F. A great incentive to write with Aetna is their consumer lead referral program, which is not talked about enough. Once you submit a Medicare supplement application to Aetna, they are going to mail you a lead referral card to your clients for 3 referrals. If the client returns the card back to Aetna, they will receive a small gift thanking them for the referrals. Next, once Aetna has received the card from your client, they will pick up the phone and call you and ask you to work them, or if Aetna will work them. If Aetna works them, they will pay you on your behalf. They will still pay you a commission. If you work them, you're going to receive 100% of the commission. This is a great opportunity to help gain referrals. Finally, in addition to Medicare supplements, Aetna offers a full suite of senior products, including final expense and indemnity products like cancer and home health care. Moving on to Cigna. Cigna is filed in most states under ARLIC or Loyal American. They are filed or approved in 49 states. They offer age banding for 65 to 66. In most states, they offer a 7% household discount. When a clean case is submitted, it will be issued within 3 to 5 days. They also have a great electronic application system that does not require a wet signature. In most states, they have very competitive rates. On top of competitive rates, they offer multiple underwriting classes, which gives a client that is outside a guaranteed issue period a higher chance of qualifying. Just to name a few of the conditions accepted are atrial fibrillation, Alzheimer's, dementia, COPD, and different types of diabetes. So Cigna likes to say, turn your declines into sales. They pay advance commissions on a daily basis. Also, in addition to Medicare supplements, just like Aetna, Cigna offers a full suite of products including critical illness, cancer, whole life, and accident. Next, talking about Manhattan Life. Manhattan Life's Medicare Supplement is still somewhat of a new kid on the block. Right now, they are not only offering extremely competitive premiums in a lot of markets, but they also offer an amazing 7% household discount in certain markets that is received on over 80% of applications submitted. Another point to mention is their easy-to-use e-app. It now features an expedited underwriting process that enables you to complete the underwriting process while your client is on the phone. Manhattan Life's Medicare Supplement can be sold on a non-seen basis, means you don't have to be face-to-face. This is a great opportunity for an agent looking to sell over the phone. Next, why do we offer Medicare Supplements with Mutual of Omaha? First, because of their experience. Mutual of Omaha has been selling Medicare Supplements since 1966. In 2012, they exceeded $2.1 billion in earned Medicare Supplement premium, making them the second largest carrier in the market. If you combine their A+ rating and well-known brand name, we think you don't have to sell Mutual of Omaha to your clients. Don't forget about Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. Continuing on, they have competitive rates, especially with their Plan G in most markets. They offer an amazing 12% household discount in certain markets. Most applications are finalized in less than a week. They offer an online Medicare Supplement e-app, and when using the e-app, it usually takes less than 2 days to finalize. That's a very quick process. Mutual of Omaha wants to help build your business. There are marketing credits agents can qualify, so if you're interested in learning more about those, please contact our office for more information. Another great program I wanted to put some focus on is Mutual of Omaha's Renewal incentive. Take the cash. You've earned it. Explaining how it works with Medicare Supplement, mix of business, enhanced renewal compensation bonus, increases your renewal commission on all policies when the percentage of underwritten business meets a target level. So, if 40 to 49% of your business is underwritten during a quarter, Mutual of Omaha will add a 2% bonus on policy years 2 through 6. If 50% and over of your business is underwritten, Mutual will add 4% on years 2 through 6. That is almost a 20% bonus. Next, another great Medicare Supplement carrier to consider is Central States Indemnity, or CSI Life. They are a financial stable company, being a Berkshire Hathaway company. They are an A+ rated company by AM Best. They offer extremely competitive rates in certain markets. They offer industry low rate increases of averaging around 0 to 4%. Another great point to mention is their True Voice Signature e-app, making productivity higher than enrolling clients through your computer. Having a True Voice Signature makes it a great opportunity for anybody that may work with a call center. Also, your clients can choose a flexible draft date, meaning initial payments can be drafted upon submission, and subsequent draft dates can be scheduled for any day of the week and any week of the month. Agents have direct access to underwriters. You can expect a one-call resolution with all your underwriting questions. Next, I want to talk a little bit about Medico. They recently received a raise by AM Best, going from a B++ rated carrier to an A- rated carrier. They offer a 12% household discount in certain markets. To qualify for their discount, all the member has to do is live in the same household with somebody over the age of 18. They have an excellent online enrollment tool that can be used offline or online. Medico is known for their stable rate increases, and Medico is another carrier with a full suite of products, including a dental, vision, and hearing, and a hospital indemnity. Next is UnitedHealthcare's AARP Medicare Supplement. They are especially known for their low, stable rate increases, averaging approximately 5.4 nationally over the last 5 years. Special extras include pharmacy savings, vision discounts, 24-hour nurse health line, and Silver Sneakers fitness program. They have competitive pricing along with probably the most liberal underwriting on the market. If you are running out of options due to a client's health conditions, AARP is your carrier. They also have a nationwide footprint. Moving on, I briefly wanted to touch on a high deductible plan F. If one of your clients is willing to share certain healthcare costs, there is a Medicare supplement can help them save on premiums while still receiving dependable coverage. Just like a Medicare supplement plan F, you are not limited to any network. The difference between a plan F and a high deductible plan F is a deductible of $2,180 per calendar year. I want to make this clear, Medicare is still paying 80%, and you are responsible for the 20% until your deductible is met. For example, if you go to the doctor and your bill is $120, Medicare will still pay $96, and you will only be responsible for the difference, which is $24. A high deductible plan F, just like a regular plan F, once the deductible is met. I also want to point out an average of out-of-pocket for someone on a high deductible plan F is approximately only $400. Next, I know all of us got into this business to help our clients, but we also got into this business to make money. I briefly wanted to go over a 3-year commission scenario writing Medicare Supplement. Take a 20% commission using an average of $1,800 in annual premium per Medicare Supplement. If you write 4 Medicare Supplements per week for 50 weeks, the first year's commission will be approximately $72,000. Next, in the second year, writing the same amount with a 10% drop-off from the first year's policies, you will make approximately $136,000. In year 3, writing the same amount and the 10% drop-off, you will make $195,120. So in less than 3 years, you have made $123,000 in renewal money. That is amazing. How many professionals can you make $123,000 a year before even leaving the house? Not many. So let's talk more about strategies for selling Medicare supplements. The reasons for buying Medicare supplements are the same as they've always been. Automatic claims filing. There is no open enrollment period. Year-round selling. Plans are guaranteed renewable. Plans don't cancel coverage as long as premiums are paid. Benefits don't change from year to year. Your clients can change plans anytime during the year in most states and are subject to underwriting. Generally, there are no provider networks, but in some markets, clients can choose a select plan with network hospitals for a lower premium. Open enrollment for Medicare supplements is 6 months. There are certain guaranteed issue rights, such as MA leaves the service area. There are also trial rights. Haven't had a Medicare supplement and dropped into enroll for MA for the first time? The member has the right to return to the exact same Medicare supplement they were on before within a 1-year time period. Some carriers allow 2 years. Some states have an SEP called the birthday rule. Every year on your client's birthday and 30 days after, there is a guaranteed issue into a Medicare supplement. At MAS, we are proud of superior service, support, and training we provide to the agents across the country who work with us. Here is one of the many tools we provide to our agents to be successful writing Medicare supplements. It gives a breakdown of each company, including writing info, underwriting highlights, and declinable health conditions. This is extremely helpful when trying to decide which Medicare supplement to put one of your clients with. So this wraps our product overview. Our specialty is the senior market, and our carrier portfolio is supported by Medicare Supplement, Medicare Advantage, Final Expense, Whole Life, Term Life, Universal Life, Critical Illness, Cancer Plans, and Annuities, and much more. At MAS, we are proud of our superior service, support, and training we provide to agents across the country who work with us. We take a great pride in our relationships with agents and our carriers. Our staff provides marketing strategies and assistance, creating numerous opportunities for our agents through lead programs, the agency builder program, Fast Start, and other incentive programs. Your success is based on us. Our success is based on you. MAS marketing managers are eager to work with producers to help grow your business. We can provide a market analysis of products available in your area to assist you in developing a strategic marketing plan for your business. We're always up to date on the latest product, carriers, lead programs, and services as they become available. Of course, we are always available to provide field support, market supplies, certification information, carrier appointments, and service issues. Our goal is to help you grow your business. For our agents interested in building an agency, we have the Agency Builder Program, which is designed to help an agent just do that, build an agency. We will run our auto dialer to call agent recruitment lists. The agent auto dialer will give the agents answering the call option to press 1 to speak to a live rep. If they press 1, the call will be connected to the agent trying to build the agency and give him the opportunity to recruit that agent. If they do not answer, a voicemail will be left of a recording that the recruiting agent records, or we can help him record it. A good example is Henry Meadows in Georgia. He has been an agent of ours for over 8 years. He came to Birmingham and sat down with us, expressed interest in building an agency. We ran our auto dialer for him a few times, and he has now 4 agents under him and 3 more on the way. We also offer lead splitting we also lower lead costs by splitting the lead costs into thirds. MAS is 1/3, new GA is 1/3, and agent is 1/3, which comes out to be $150 each for 1,000 pieces. Our agents have enjoyed tremendous success with our lead program and incentive programs. We offer a lead program to our agents who are new to MAS, as well as agents who are consistently writing business through our organization. Our Fast Start program has been as successful as well. Who wouldn't love to get more money in the mail just for writing your first piece of business? And I'm not talking about commission dollars. This is direct from MAS. If you'd like more information, contact the marketing team today. We also offer a prescription drug card program to our agents through RX New Benefits. With this program, you'll be able to add value for your existing clients with an average of savings of 30%. These discounts are all available for dental, vision, and hearing, and even vitamins. A lot of our agents have had success using this card as a door opener for prospecting as well as earning referrals. So keep those ideas in mind as well. So why choose MAS? Because we are here to serve you. You see why we understand our long-term success will define itself based on your success as an agent or as a carrier. Medicare Advantage Specialist is committed to exceeding our agents' expectations in every interaction and helping you achieve the same level of service with your customers. Agent support is our primary goal. We provide every tool we can to assist you in your efforts to identify, inform, close, and follow your sales process. In more practical terms, our marketing team works arm in arm with you to deliver print media, internet direct mail, and other marketing tools, keeping your pipeline moving. We have one of the most experienced support teams in the industry. So I want to thank everyone for taking the time out of their very busy morning to watch today's webinar. One of my favorite quotes here, opportunity does not knock, it presents itself when you beat down the door. Sure, you're going to have questions, and when those questions come up, please sure to give us a call. As you can see, our number is at the bottom of the screen, 1-800-480-9857. Again, 1-800-480-9857. Thanks for joining, everyone. Are we going to take questions?
Andy, I don't see any questions at this time.
Okay. Well, thanks for joining, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.